Hello sir, my name is Ignacio Sabila and today I will explain about project pre-intermediate grammar. Let's get started. The definition of degrees comparison. Degrees of comparison is an English grammar structure used to compare two or more peoples, animals, things, or places. It is forms by changing the form of adjective or adverb to show different levels of comparison. There are three types of degree of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative, according to Sampurna Academy. Function of degrees of comparison: to compare the qualities of two or more people, animals, things, or places. To show whether something is equal, greater, or the greatest in comparison, to make comparison more clear and accurate in both spoken and written English. Types of degree comparison. 1. Positive degree, used to describe a person, things, or place without making a comparison. Example, this book is interesting. Comparative degree, used to compare two people, things, or places. Example, this book is more interesting than that one. Superlative degree, used to compare three or more people, things, or places. This is the most interesting book in the library. Grammar patterns. Positive degree pattern, subject plus be plus adjective. Example, she is beautiful. Comparative degree, short adjective, subject plus be plus adjective, plus than plus object. Example, Tom is taller than Jack. Superlative degree, short adjective, subject plus be plus the plus adjective as. Example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Example 1, positive degree, my classroom is clean. Example 2, comparative degree, my brother is taller than me. Example 3, comparative degree, English is more interesting than mathematics. Example 4, superlative degree, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Analysis example. Example, my classroom is clean. Type positive, subject plus be plus adjective. My brother is taller than me. Types comparative. Subject plus be plus adjective, plus than. English is more interesting than mathematics. Comparative. Subject plus be plus more plus adjective plus than. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Superlative. Subject plus be plus the plus adjective as. Example from mass media. Types comparative degree reason. The sentence compares two people's level of knowledge using the comparative form better than. Source BBC News. And example 2, type superlative degree, superlative form, the most romantic. Reason, the phrase the most romantic indicates that these destinations are considered to have the highest level of romantic quality compared with other destinations. Definition: correlative conjunction. According to Grammarly, correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunction used to connect words, phrases, or clauses that have equal importance. They help show the relationship between two related ideas and make sentences clear and more effective. Function of correlative conjunction: to connect two words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance, to show the relationship between two related ideas, to make sentence clear and more balanced. Types of correlative conjunction: both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Example, both Sarah and John are studying. You can either stay or leave. Neither my brother nor my sister like coffee. She is not only smart but also hardworking. Grammar pattern both and. Both plus noun plus and plus noun plus verb. Either or. Either plus noun plus or plus noun plus verb. Neither nor. Neither plus noun plus nor plus noun plus verb. Not only but also. Not only plus noun or verb plus but also plus noun or verb. Original examples: 1. Both my parents and my grandparents support my education. We will either watch a movie or play board games tonight. Neither the manager nor the employees were available yesterday. The new smartphone is not only affordable but also reliable. Analysis of the original example. Example 1. Sentence. Both my parents and my grandparents support my education. Correlative conjunction both and. Function connects two subjects of equal importance, meaning both my parents and my grandparents support my education. Example 2. Sentence. We will either watch a movie or play board games tonight. Corrective conjunction either or function show a choice between two options, meaning we can choose one of the two activities. Example 3. Sentence. Neither the manager nor the employees were available yesterday. Correlative conjunction neither nor. Functions connect to negative alternative, meaning both the manager and the employees were unavailable. Example 4. Sentence. The new smartphone is not only affordable but also reliable. Corrective conjunction not only but also. Function add emphasis by connecting two related qualities, meaning the smartphone is both affordable and reliable. Example from mass media analysis types correlative conjunction, both and. Pattern, both, plus noun, plus and, plus noun. Function, connect two nouns of equal importance, headphones and earbuds, meaning the reader always travel with both headphones and earbuds instead of choosing only one. Type correlative conjunction, correlative pair, not only but also. Pattern, not only plus noun pairs, plus but also, plus noun pairs. Function, connect two equally important ideas and adds emphasis, meaning the sentence emphasizes that Fairmount Park is historically important because it was both the site of America's first paper mill and the country's first company town. And next, study case. Question 1, error 1. Incorrect sentence. The student which won the competition is my friend. Correct sentence. The student who won the competition is my friend. Grammar rule. Who is used for people while with is used for things. Explanation. The noun student refers to a person, so the correct relative pronoun is who. Error 2. Incorrect sentence. She met a professor whose book was published last year. Correct sentence. She met a professor whose book was published last year. Grammar rule. Who whose is used to show position. Explanation. The books belong to the professor, so whose is the correct relative pronoun? Error 3. Incorrect sentence. The library where it was renovated recently is very modern. Correct sentence. The library that was renovated recently is very modern. Grammar rule. Use that or with when the noun reserve an action. Where is used to indicate a place where something happened. Explanation. The library is the objective renovated, so that is the correct choice. Therefore, in correct sentence, I have a classmate who he studies linguistics every day. Correct sentence, I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. Grammar rule, Use two subjects in the same relative clause. Explanation: the pronoun who already functions as the subject, so he must be removed. Error 5. Incorrect sentence. The laptop who I bought yesterday is already broken. Correct sentence. The laptop that I bought yesterday is already broken. Grammar rule. Who is used for people while that are with is used for things. Explanation. A laptop is a thing, so that is the correct relative pronouns. Error 6. Incorrect sentence. The lecture that she did syntax is very popular among students. Correct sentence. The lecture who did syntax is very popular among students. Grammar rule: do not use a subject pronoun after the relative pronoun. Explanation: the relative pronoun who already act as the subject, so she should be omitted. Error 7. Incorrect sentence. The building which we discussed about yesterday will be demolished soon. Correct sentence. The building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished soon. Remember, the verb discuss does not require the preposition about. Explanation: the correct expression is discuss something, not discuss about something. Error 8. Incorrect sentence. The researcher whom article research and award works at a famous university. For example, the researcher whose article research and award works at a famous university. Grammar rule: whose expresses position. Explanation: the article belongs to the researcher, so whose is the correct relative pronoun. And next, incorrect sentence. This is the campus that where I studied for 4 years. For 4 years. For example, this is the campus where I studied for 4 years. Remember rule: don't notice that and where together. Explanation: science campus refer to a place where is sufficient. Error 10. Incorrect sentence. The school archive with it was offered by the government attracted many applicants. Correct sentence. The school archive which was offered by the government attracted many applicants. Grammar rule: do not use an extra pronoun in a relative clause. Explanation: the relative pronoun which already refers to the school archive, so it must be omitted. And next question 2, degree of comprehension. And 1, incorrect sentence. My university is more large than the university in my hometown. Correct sentence. My university is large than the university in my hometown. Grammar rule: for one's label adjective, the comparative form is created by adding "er", not by using more. Explanation: the adjective words become large in the comparative form. Error 2, incorrect sentence. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the most smartest student. Correct sentence. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the smart student. Grammar rule: do not use most together with the s ending. Explanation: the adjective smart form is superlative as smart, so must is unnecessary. Error 3, incorrect sentence. This semester is more easier than the previous one. Correct sentence. This semester is easier than the previous one. Grammar rule: adjective ending in y change y to I and add "er" for the comparative form. Explanation: the correct comparative form of easy is easier, not more easier. Error 4, incorrect sentence. The library is the quietest than the cafeteria. Correct sentence. The library is quieter than the cafeteria. Grammar rule: use the comparative form when comparing two things. Explanation: the sentence compares the library and the cafeteria, so quieter than is correct. Error 5, incorrect sentence. English is interesting than mathematics for many students. Correct sentence. English is more interesting than mathematics for many students. Grammar rule: Long adjective used more to form the comparative explanation. The adjective interesting becomes more interesting, not interestinger. Error 6 incorrect sentence. My laptop is expensiver than my friend's laptop. Correct sentence. My laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop. Grammar rule adjective with two or more syllables usually form the comparative with more explanation. The correct comparative form is more expensive. Incorrect sentence. Of the three presentations, John's presentation were more best. Correct sentence. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was the best. Grammar rule: do not use more with an irregular superlative adjective explanation. The superlative form of good is the best. In correct sentence, the new classroom is the more comfortable room in the building. Correct sentence, the new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building. Grammar rule: use the most with low adjective in the superlative form. Explanation: the adjective comfortable form is superlative as the most comfortable. Airline, incorrect sentence. Traveling by train is more cheap than traveling by plane. Correct sentence. Traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane. Remove. Use the comparative form with than when comparing two things. Explanation. The comparative form of cheap is cheaper. Than incorrect sentence. Today weather is better than yesterday weather. Correct sentence. Today weather is worse than yesterday weather. Grammar rules: some adjectives have irregular comparative form. Explanation: the comparative form of bad is worse, not better. Question 3. Correlative conjunction. Error 1 incorrect sentence. Both the lecturer of the student were interested in the seminar. Correct sentence. Both the lecturer and student were interested in the seminar. Grammar rule: the correlative conjunction both must always be paired with an explanation. The pair both or is incorrect. The correct pair is both and. Error 2 incorrect sentence. Either the manager and the staff member are responsible for the project. Correct sentence. Either the manager or the staff member are responsible for the project. Grammar rule: the correlative conjunction either must be paired with or. Explanation: the correct correlative conjunction is either or, not either and. Incorrect sentence. Neither the teacher or the student was prepared for the presentation. Correct sentence. Neither the teacher nor the student were prepared for the presentation. Grammar rule: neither must be paired with nor. The verb agrees with the noun close to it. Explanation: since student plural is close to the verb, the correct verb is were. Error 4. Incorrect sentence. Not only does the library provide digital resources and also offers study space. Correct sentence. Not only does the library provide digital resources but also offers study space. Grammar rule: the correct pair it's not only but also. Explanation: the expression and also cannot replace but also in a correlative conjunction. Next, error 5, incorrect sentence. The researcher is interested both in collecting data and to analyze this result. Correct sentence. The research is interested both in collecting data and analyzing the research. Grammar rule: parallel structure requires the same grammatical form after correlative conjunction. Explanation: both elements should be in the in form collecting and analyzing. Error 6, incorrect sentence. Whether the meeting will be online and offline has not been decided yet. Correct sentence. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. Grammar rule: the correct pair is whether or. Explanation: the conjunction whether is always followed by or, not and. Error 7, incorrect sentence. No sooner had the lecture started when several students arrived late. For example, no sooner had the lecture started than several students arrived late. Grammar rule defines expression is no sooner than explanation the conjunction that must follow no sooner. R8 in correct sentence. Carly had a finished my assessment that the lecture honors a new task correct sentence. Scar solely had I finished my assessment when the lecturer announced a new test. Grammar rule: the correct expression is scarcely when explanation the conjunction when always follows scarcely. Error 9. Incorrect sentence. Sad was the difficult of the exam that so many students failed. Correct sentence. Sad was the difficult of the exam that many students failed. Grammar rule: the correct structure is such that explanation. The word so is unnecessary because such already introduced the result clause. Error 10, incorrect sentence. Rather the professor than also the assistant conducted the workshop. Rather than the assistant, the professor conducts the workshop. Grammar rule: the correct expression is rather than explanation. The phrase rather than also in grammatically incorrect. The correct expression is rather than. Maybe this all for me, and thank you so much.